Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating your account and device so you don't chase phantom errors. First, confirm the username, password, and that the account isn't locked or suspended. Reset the password if needed. Next, make sure the device clock and time zone are accurate and you're on a stable network. Disable VPN or proxy temporarily to isolate the issue. Once done, update the app or client to the latest release and clear its cache. This removes stale state that often blocks login. Now you dig into authentication. Examine two-factor prompts, OAuth consent screens, or single sign-on configuration since those often change silently. Pull client console logs and collect server authentication logs. Capture a network trace or HAR to see requests, response codes, and errors. Verify token issuance and expiry, cookie attributes like secure and same site, and confirm API endpoints and CORS rules match production settings. If a refresh token fails, to finish, apply the corrective actions you identified. Restore correct config values, rotate API keys or tokens, and update or patch client libraries. After each change, reproduce the login end-to-end and test with an alternate account, another device, and from a different network to rule out caching or IP restrictions. Once successful, document the root cause and preventive steps. If problems remain, gather a minimal reproducible case, plus logs, and escalate to support or the engineering team with clear reproduction steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.